If you have big old heavy coats, you can put them in with your clothes. Oh, that don't even come close there. Let's see what else we can put in there. Hey, all the good folks over at Alois sent me this luggage. We're going to get it opened up and take a look at it. Pretty nice looking so far. It's got a hard shell bottom. Protects that really well. Get this loosened off. Has a 4 cast. Has a shoulder strap too. We'll look at that in a moment. But it has 4 caster wheels that goes on the bottom here for smooth transportation when you're having to roll this thing. Makes it really nice. Oh, those are some heavy duty wheels too. They don't feel cheap. It's got little releases here on the bottom for the wheels. You just pull this lever back, and it has a flat side that goes in the hole right there. Let me get that up a little closer so you can see. It has the little release right here, but you have to get these wheels just right. The little shaft here, get that just right because it's got a flat side. There you go, right there. Pull that in, and it locks it in. You can release it and just pull it out, and it'll come right off. We'll get all 4 of these put in, and we'll carry on. Actually, it has 5 of them, doesn't it? I just noticed it's got one in the middle. Sitting there looking at it, and I didn't even notice it. It's kind of unique. I have never seen one on luggage like this. Pretty cool. Make sure those lock down in there. That is nice. Wow, that's going to hold a lot. And the cool thing is it goes down to a small size so you could store it easily. It's a nice little pocket. You could put like a water bottle or a drink cup right there. Just an idea. There's storage right here. Actually, there's storage all the way across here. You got a pocket here, pocket in the middle, pocket over here, and then another little storage area right here. There's a lot of storage compartments. One on this side too. Carry whatever you need to. You had a pair of wet sandals or something like that, flip-flops, you could put them right in there. Wouldn't have to put them in your main storage area. Oh, wow, y'all. Let me get this down lower so we can see down in it, or so you can see down in it. I was looking, it has storage right here. You could like put a tablet right there. Put that down in there like that. Got plenty of room for a lot more clothes than what I have. And you still have a lot of room over here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pair of shorts right there. So some of them are like denim shorts, so that takes up a lot more room. Over on this side, you have a wet storage area. If you had like bottles of shampoo or shavers and hairbrushes and whatnot, you can just throw them in there. You don't have to worry about them getting your clothes wet or dirty. Just like that. I really like the idea of being able to carry your tablet right there. That's nice. Also, if you need to expand this further, you can unzip this. Then you can raise that on up into another layer. And if you need even more, you have yet another layer. So you can raise that up even higher. Look at that. That is a lot of storage space. If you have big old heavy coats, you can put them in with your clothes. Oh, that don't even come close there. Let's see what else we can put in there. heavy quilted flannel shirt slash jacket. Oh man, look at that, y'all. Look at all that room we still have. Y'all see down in there? We got a ton more room to go. Blanket. You could throw a blanket in here. Basically, a whole bedding. You know, you got clothes, you got coats, blankets. Look at that. And you still have room. We even have room for a body, full size body pillow. Look at that, y'all. I got clothes in there, blankets, coats, jackets. What else did I put in there? And the full-size body pillow. Look at that, y'all. And you have a carrying strap. So if you need to pick this up, let me show you. Be able to pick that up and carry it. Oh, wait, you wouldn't have to pick it up by that. That's right, because we have a shoulder strap. You can throw that shoulder strap on there. These will hook up right down here. The little hooks are underneath the pocket right there. They're down in there. Look at that. Now you can carry that on your shoulder. Got that thing loaded down. And off you go. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot about something. You wouldn't have to worry about carrying that. Somewhere down here, it has a handle. It's hidden right under here. Look at that. Look at there. Now you can just pull that thing wherever you needed to. And if you didn't want to put it back up, it has a little strap right here. Put it just like that. How's that for convenience? And you can't beat that with a stick. And that is just shoving stuff in it. That's not organizing it really. That's just putting stuff in it. So it will hold a lot. And hey, if you'd like to get your hands on one of these, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours off the Amazon product page. Also, if you enjoyed this video or got any value out of it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't done so yet, you could go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you had the desire to do so. I would appreciate it. Anyway, like I said, I just threw stuff in there, didn't organize it. Has all these pockets and storages, has the 5 caster wheels on that bottom. Oh, I didn't mention, let me show you this. See, not only will it hold all your stuff, it's also is water repellent. Look at that. Just runs that water right off of it. I don't know if you can see that. It just beads up and falls off of it into the floor or on the ground, whichever. Anyway, this is definitely a good luggage. Whether you want to carry a little bit with you or a little bit more or even maxed out. And we could actually put more in it because it's still got a lot of loose in it. So we could stuff it on up fuller. And with all these little pockets, you know, you got places to put cell phones. And like I said, you can put your cup in there if you wanted to. Whatever you need to do. This has got you covered. Rolls real easy too. Whoa, gonna get away from me here. Anyway, definitely a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you might make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.